The Boeing 747-400 was one of the integral part of Qantas' fleet for around 5 decades. This week, Qantas is offering three retirement flights for the 747, which will be eventually flown to Mojave, and this was one of it. So let's check it out. The check-in for today's flight was in the Qantas Club in Sydney Airport.
To having you on board our farewell flight for our Queen of the Skies, the 747 here today. And I've got to say congratulations to everyone who got a ticket. You obviously have a faster internet connection than I do at home. This flight sold out in a record 8 minutes, so well done everyone. So we're about to farewell our final 747 registration OEJ. What you may not know about this aircraft is it once flew with the proud indigenous livery of Balluna. Dreaming. And it also brought back our Olympians from the Rio Olympic Games back in 2016. Also an interesting fact, this is the last of our 747-400 ERs. Now, ER stands for extended range. Qantas was the only customer in the world to get 6 of these aircraft, and they basically have freighter wings on them and high gross weight engines to allow Qantas to cross the Pacific. So they were specially made for Qantas. And so this is the last of those aircraft. It's been a special part of the Qantas fleet. The 747, we've had 65 in the fleet, the first of which we took delivery back in 1971. And some of you may have some images of the early 747s, and my personal favourite was back in the 70s where we had the first class lounge in the upper deck. Now I'm assured that the decor in that lounge was trendy back in the day. Not that you could tell, of course, because the cigarette haze that was in the galley at the time, you wouldn't have been able to see it. It's an aircraft that has a special place in all of our hearts, and I've been going around this morning, and we all have special stories. Where's Scott Collins? Scott Collins had 310 flights from the 747, and you've got a few stories to tell, no doubt. And I look forward to sharing some of those stories with you on the flight today. My own, the 747 is what took me to is the aircraft that took me to London back in the early 90s, and geez, that feels like a long time ago now, but it certainly has some special place but today it's all about the 747. It's been a wonderful part of our history in creating amazing memories for our customers and our people. And that back down in the crew room, there were a few tears this morning, so we better keep it together today because we might get some running makeup today. So today's an opportunity for a final adventure on board Qantas 747 OEJ, the Queen of the Skies. So I now want to invite you all to board the aircraft. Now we're going to do this business class first, and we need to keep ourselves socially distanced. It's the sign of the times. So can I invite please all...
Just as the briefing by the CEO ended at the Qantas Club launch, we were all cleared to board, and I have never flown on a 747 in my life. I have been waiting for around 7 years to get the ticket into the jumbo, but I was happy that I got it, but I was sad at the same time that it was like this.
Thanks very much.
They'll be coming by later with a UNICEF check, good bag. If you have any spare change in any currency, please share it to help deliver life-saving healthcare, clean water and education.
Whether you're starting a journey or heading home.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for showing respect to each other and our crew. Thank you for your loyalty. Thank you for your support.
And thank you for your attention. Have a great flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, I also like to remind you if oxygen is required, you must remove your face mask before putting on the oxygen mask that will drop from above you. Thank you.
Because you never are 60. No, that's exactly right. What is it? Right waist
time away from home for many years, making not just friends, but family along the way. It certainly has been for me. I began my career 25 years ago on a 747 just like this one as a flight attendant. And today I'm so proud and honoured to be leading this fantastic team and being part of this historic moment. We are so sad her journey has been cut short by measures out of our control. For many of our crew, her departure to the desert is also a closing of a chapter in their flying career. On behalf of everyone at Qantas, I would like to thank all the pilots that are retiring today, and a special mention to our customer service managers that are on board today. Stephen Frame for 47 years service, David Smith 41, Richard Knight 40 years service, our supervisor Dawn Stalin 32 years, and our flight attendants Angela Sappi for 36, Susan James 25, Sandy Simmons for 46 flying, and Carolyn Frame for 35 years. And today they hang up your wings. Thank you for your leadership, commitment and dedication throughout all these years. We wish you all the very best in your retirement. I also would like to thank all my crew, first of all Captain Bracewell and Owen Weaver, and all the Qantas pilots for their professionalism and for always getting us home safely. To my amazing cabin crew, thank you for your resilience and dedication. What an incredible bunch of individuals you all are, and what a unique and outstanding team you make. And to our customers, thank you for being here today. This year marks 100 years of the Flying Kangaroo, and with your ongoing support and loyalty, we will get through these challenging times and be able to celebrate another 100 years. On behalf of all the crew and the Qantas family, stay safe, be kind to each other, and we look forward to welcoming you back on board another Qantas aircraft very soon. And now, I trust you will join me giving a well-deserved round of applause